we can use the variant control and variant indicator, and class controls and indicators on the variant and class palette to interact with variant and class data. So on that palette, class controls are not available, but we can use these constants available on the variant functions cluster, class and variant palette to create class controls and indicators. And to interact with the variant and class data, and we have functions available here to manipulate the classes, and we have the variant palette with different functions available for interacting with variant data. Next we have the LabVIEW object, which represents the class we talked about a moment ago. The LabVIEW object is the common ancestor data type or class for all LabVIEW classes. We can use the LabVIEW object to create generic methods that can handle all LabVIEW class data types. By using the functions available here, or we can create property nodes which displays the common properties of all objects, and the invoke node to access the methods that apply generically at a higher level, parent level, to all objects.